Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You must start by powering the phone off and removing SIM and SD trays. This prevents short circuits and gives better access. Once done, ground yourself with an ESD strap and place components on a magnetic mat so small parts don't wander. Next, use a Phillips #00 and plastic opening picks to separate the back cover gently. You are prying adhesive and clips, so apply steady, even pressure and work around the perimeter until a gap appears. With the back opened, remove visible screws and keep them sorted by location. This prevents reassembly errors. Once screws are out, lift the midframe or internal shield carefully. There may be ribbons and clips, so you avoid tearing flex cables. Locate the battery connector, and before touching anything else, disconnect it to cut live power to the board. This reduces risk of shorts. If adhesive holds the battery, use a thin plastic card or adhesive remover and pull in slow, steady strokes. Pry the battery free using a plastic tool or card, working from one edge and avoiding puncture. If adhesive is stubborn, warm the rear at low heat to soften glue and make removal safer. Once the cell is free, inspect and reseat the battery connector firmly, then reconnect the SIM tray and attempt a power-on test before final reassembly. If the phone fails to boot, check that the battery connector is properly seated, no flex cables were pinched, and all screws return to their.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.